There's some nasty sound on that tape, and it's quite a confrontation in Queens. A woman coughing in a deli while not wearing a mask. She isn't seen walking up to someone and actually coughing on her. Whole thing recorded by a man as things got wild. Here's Eyewitness News reporter Kimberly Richardson.
I did realize that she was barking back about not wearing a mask in an aggressive way.
For the first time, we're exclusively hearing from the man who shot this cell phone video. After walking into this coffee shop in Astoria, Queens, and right smack into the middle of an ugly confrontation over a face mask, which is required by law.
I was concerned she would physically assault the other woman, too. I didn't know how far it would escalate.
Allison Goodbaum spotted the lady without a mask, who she says was also coughing. She didn't feel comfortable speaking directly to the stranger. She didn't want to argue, but she did red flag it.
I told the staff that I believe they should enforce the mask rule inside.
Allison says she wasn't prepared for what happened next.
When she came at me and coughed on me, I felt her breath, and I felt it, on your face, kind of like when someone sneezes.
Allison says the woman then told her she had COVID antibodies, so she didn't have to wear a mask. The shop did apologize, calling the outburst unacceptable. We did reach out to the customer, but have not yet heard back.
You have no manners.
Customers are rallying around Allison, who did file a police report. The man who took this video tells me the woman didn't say a word to him and only realized in the last few seconds before storming off that she was being taped.
She had been caught doing something pretty wrong.
Kimberly Richardson, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.